Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Discord account permanently. So if you also want to delete Discord account permanently, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application, or you can also open Discord in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. So Discord is a popular communication tool for everyone who's looking to chat with their friends and gaming pals. But due to some reason, if you're looking forward to delete your Discord account, it is very simple. For that, what you have to do is go to user settings. All you have to do is look at bottom left. Here you'll be able to find your Discord ID. Right next to it, you'll be able to find many icons. Right over here, you'll be able to find the icon for user settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the user settings interface. You'll be able to see several options over here. What you have to do is make sure you're in my account interface. Over here, you'll be able to find your account information. You'll be able to find the information like display name, username, email, etc. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the section for account removal. There are two options, disable account and delete account. If you want to delete your Discord account permanently, all you have to do is click on the option delete account. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure that you want to delete your account? Keep in mind that deleting your account will immediately log you out of your account. Also, you will not be able to log in again. For deleting your account, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply click right over here. Now simply enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. After that, you'll be able to find the option for delete account over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete Discord account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.